Strike 3 call. Not a call that Brad Miller said, hey. And now like Bob Davidson going to walk after him. Oh, he just threw him out of the game. Bob walked right after Brad Miller. And Bob is a veteran umpire.
Well, I don't know if you saw it last night, but at the end of the game, when the issues were happening,
right,
and Bob Melvin was thrown out, Bob Davidson came from first base and got in the middle of it. There was no reason for him to even be there. And then for him to chase a young player like Brad Miller, you have to give him an opportunity to say something. And yes, he's a veteran umpire, and it looked to me as he was telling Lloyd, he's not taking that from a young player. But that's I don't like that at all. Take a look at it again. Brad doesn't like the call. He tells him that he thinks it's outside.
Then he runs him.
And then he walks after him. And then he just smiles at him and he throws him out of the game. I don't like that at all.
And Bob's
better.